Hello, this is Richard with Sewer Sluice. Today I'm at property address 6025 Southwest Elm Avenue in Beaverton. I'm located in the front yard. Just left of the front porch near the foundation, there's a cast iron clean out. This is going to be my point of access. Going to advance out and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer. Currently have water running during the scope. This is a second opinion. The yard's all marked up leading to the street, so we're going to do our own evaluation of it. Here we go. Okay, right around the 90-degree turn at the clean out, there's some settling and a belly holding water. I can hear the water slushing around here. You see the camera submerged. We'll continue on here. Okay, we're still underwater here. You can see all the debris stirring around. There's quite a bit of settling in the pipe here. We're going to continue to push out. Okay, about 28 feet. It looks like it finally comes out of the water here. We'll continue on. Okay, about 42 feet. Looks like it's going underwater again here. So it looks like it came out, so about 42 to 46 feet was underwater. Appears to have a potential offset joint here. There's some pooling right over the top of this around this turn. We'll look at it on the way back with no running water. We'll continue on. Okay, there's the main at 74 feet. We'll go ahead and shut off the bathtub, and then we're going to do a toilet flush and let everything drain out and revisit those areas that I went underwater. Okay, we got a toilet flush on its way. I'm going to see if it comes over the top of the camera head or if the standing water near the house is going to slow down the momentum. Okay, pulling back the camera now. The concrete looks good in the street, and you can see everything's drained out. If it has proper slope and grade all the way to the lateral, this is the way it should look. But we'll continue to pull back here and evaluate the line and see if there's areas of standing water still remaining in the pipe. It does appear to be quite a bit near the clean out and leading towards the driveway, but we'll get a good view on the way back here. Okay, that's just a 45 little elbow in there holding a little bit of water. There's no separated joints or holes forming here that I saw on the way out. I wasn't sure, but it does look like a separated joint though. Right here you can see the top of the pipe. The camera's flipped, it's upside down, but you can see the top of the pipe. The joint is coming down. That's definitely a separated joint here. You can see it's gapped away. It's no longer flush, it's just settled over the years at 60 feet. So I'll note that. I know it was marked under the sidewalk here. Okay, we switched over to a transite concrete that was commonly used in the 1960s. Okay, we're getting close to where that standing water was for that 4-foot section. That doesn't appear to be a whole lot in there, so I won't note that in the report. From 42 to 46 feet, looked like it drained out. It's just a minimal amount of standing water, so that does not need repair. Okay, as I'm pulling back towards the house, this is where the settling, the belly ends. Okay, this is receded down to probably just a 1/4 inch of standing water here. So far my findings are just a separated joint at 60 feet underneath the sidewalk. Okay, I'm going to flush a toilet again to see how the water's flowing. Because once we shut off the water, it sure receded down quite a bit to the point where it doesn't need a repair for the correct slope and grade so far that I've seen. We're going to flush a toilet and see how it comes by here. Okay, the toilet flush went by. It's not very strong. It just kind of moved the water, so that's an indication that up towards the house there's a belly that's slowing the momentum of the flush down. So I slowly pull back more and take a look. So this is actually right by the 90 leading outside the house. This is the most significant part of the standing water. So that's more than an inch here. So I'm going to remark some areas. So it looks like just up by the house is settled, and then there's a separated joint at 60 feet. So 2 spot repairs. Okay.